Welcome, today I'm part Nubia Red Magic 7 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first we should launch the settings and after that tap on the sound section. After that we can see here the ringtone notification volume panel, and just to unmute your device ringtone you should hold for a while and drag this red dot to the right side with your finger. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just press up or down volume button on the right side of our device, then click here on the three dots and swipe with your finger to the up this white dot. By this way, you'll also unmute your device ringtone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.